Hi, everybody. Thanks for tuning in for the final part in our Exchange Online series, Phishing Training. O365 has a lot of strengths. We have not missed our on-prem Exchange server since we moved to O365. Even when Microsoft has had an outage, I felt like at least the people who really understand Exchange are working on it. Am I right? But one of the things missing is end user education. We are talking to tons of folks about phishing. It's where over 90% of the attacks originate. And that can be phishing for credentials, encouraging downloads, or business email compromise, also known as CEO fraud. The big advantage the attackers have is millions and millions of opportunities to get lucky sending malicious emails to people. They just need a few hits to make a big impact, especially if they're using something like Emotet that can spread through an entire environment rapidly and undetected. We should be stopping this first with our email security technology, but as stuff slips through, we need human intelligence to back up artificial intelligence. The way we do that is by educating our end users on what to look for. They need a base level understanding of how to identify malicious links, how to spot impersonation attempts, and dangerous attachments. This needs to happen in a formal, systematic, and repeatable way to reinforce the good behavior. This is where you need to be shopping for an off the shelf system to help you do that. Once you purchase something, then you need to make sure you get it set up out of the gate to start getting your folks on their way to ignoring the emails that slip through your email security and alerting you to those emails so you can figure out how to further bolster your protection. One of the biggest benefits of a professional phishing tool is reporting. A lot of great reports that can help you get focused on which individuals need more training and what kind of training they need. If you can easily see which employees don't fall for anything and which employees repeatedly fall for attachment download versus credential harvesting attacks, you know who needs additional attention and in which specific area. Doing this in a formal way and in a repeated way is going to help block the opportunity for hacker success in a major way. Okay, thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about phishing training, see pricing, or a demo, please reach out to your Productive rep or help@productivecorp.com. Thanks and have a great day.